I chose the ADDIE Instructional Design Model. The ADDIE model is basically a generic, systematic, step-by-step framework used by instructional designers, developers, and trainers to ensure course development and learning does not occur in a haphazard, unstructured way. It is designed to ensure, 1, that learners will achieve the goals of the course, 2, it allows for the evaluation of learners' needs, and the design and development of training materials, and 4, evaluation of effectiveness of the training program using processes with specific measurable outcomes. ADDIE is an acronym for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. Analysis, this stage of the model, is understanding your audience, problem to solve, and the goals and objectives. We need to know where the individual is now and what skills will be needed. Also, what is it you're hoping to achieve? Design. Design is based on the identified learning objectives and what specific skills and knowledge do you wish students to obtain. Identify outcomes. How will you know that the students have achieved your learning objectives? And how will you assess learning? Development. Develop your instructional strategies. How will you facilitate students in learning the objectives you identified so that they are able to achieve the outcome you have set for them? Also, how will you group students? How will you arrange the classroom? What tools and materials will students have available to them? Implementation. This is the main delivery of the learning solution. Try out your lesson plan or your unit with students. Evaluation. Were you successful? Did the students learn? Did you have fun doing it? What should you change for the next time? Remember, the ADDIE model is a continuous circle of steps. This loops back into the first phase, refining the process to improve the learning solution being developed. One reason it has been so successful is that it is heavily associated with good quality design, with clear learning objectives, carefully structured content. It also allows integrated media, relevant student activities, and assessment strongly tied to desired learning outcomes. Although these good design principles can be applied with or without the ADDIE model, it is a model that allows these design principles to be identified and implemented on a systematic and thorough basis. Implementing the ADDIE model didn't mean I had to redesign my course model or change how I was delivering my lesson. Instead, it's about trying new techniques and approaches. For example, incorporating storyboards into my lesson to create lessons are ideal for communicating how some things work in the real world.